Hi everybody, so today we're going to be looking at the top 5 lipsticks from mine. So I've tried out a lot of lipsticks and I like varying lipsticks. So these are my top 5 lipsticks that I have used on a daily basis. So coming to my skin tone, I am an NW43 and I am in deep skin tone, not very deep, but it's like medium deep skin tone. So if you're a medium deep skin tone or either medium or deep, I think these colors would do great for you. So if you're interested, then continue watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, click the red subscribe button and also the small bell notification icon next to it. So let's dive right in. So now I'm going to be starting with the very cheap lipstick amongst all of this. This is the L18 Colourpop's matte lipstick. Now this is in the shade Mauve Date. This retails for just 100 rupees, but this is very good everyday lipstick because first and foremost, it does not dry your lips at all. It has a very creamy consistency. It comes in this rotatable thing, and this is a very nice mauve shade. It's not exactly pink, but it's mauve, and it will definitely go well on all skin tones. So I'm going to quickly swatch this. So can you see how beautiful this color is? It has tones of purple, pink and a bit of brown, and this is an amazing everyday color. Definitely this is not transfer proof, but generally those liquid lipsticks are very drying on my lips, so I generally prefer cream lipsticks. So now we're going to be moving on to the second lipstick on the list. Is from another favorite brand of mine, that is Colorbar. Now, Colorbar USA has a very good range of lipsticks, amongst which this, I think this is called satin lipsticks, right? It retails for 340 rupees, but now they also have 2 lipsticks for 499. So you can check them at the stores. Now, this is in the shade 77 High Tea. Okay, and this again is a very it has a pinch of red, a pinch of pink, a pinch of brown, and it is a great nude shade for my skin tone. If you can see, I'm going to quickly swatch it. Yes. So can you see how beautiful this color is? This is great for any dusky or deep skin tones. And I love the packaging, and again this is not a transfer proof lipstick, but this is actually very easy on the lips. That means doesn't make you feel like you're wearing something on your lips. Now quickly moving on to the third lipstick is from my favorite brand again, Nykaa. Now Nykaa again has some great colors and shades of lipstick with amazing formulations as well. So I have tried a lot of them, but this specifically this Mattelicious lip range, the lip crayon range, I really like them. I like the color Jade Rose also, but this is in the shade Real Deal number 23, I think, right? Yeah, Real Deal 23. You can see it's in 23. This is again an everyday nude. See, this might wash you off if you are in the deep skin tone category. I think for dusky skin tone girls that is not very deep, this might suit them amazingly well. I'm going to swatch this. So that is the swatch of the Real Deal number 23 of the Nykaa Mattelicious Lip Crayon. You can see this is a very beautiful nude color. But if you are in the deep skin tone category, I would advise you to use it with a dark or a deeper shade of a lip crayon or a lip liner. That would, make your lipstick stand out and make it even more better looking with a nude shade like this. Okay, so now moving on to another favorite brand of mine, that is Sugar Cosmetics. Now Sugar comes up with again amazing lipsticks. The only problem I have with their Smudge Me Not range is that it is very drying on my lips, because my lips is already very drying, and that's my problem. So this is their Click Me Up Velvet Lipstick in the range which they have, and it is in the shade 07 Risk Raspberry. This is a very good deep mauve shade. Now this is like a pen, so you have to click it up to get the lipstick up. The only con I have with this lipstick is that if you press too much, it doesn't go back in. But I think that's not quite a con, because once you know how to use it, it's going to get its way through. It has a beautiful velvety finish. So let's quickly swatch this. Okay, so if you can see, this has a beautiful shade, and the finish of this is like amazing. See, it does transfer, but not as much as the other things that we have swatched. So these two are comparatively less transferable when compared to these two. That's how it works. Now coming to the final and my favorite product is the Nykaa's lip palette. Now this only retails for 520 rupees, and you find it on offer in Nykaa every now and then. And see, I have it in the shade Bold and Beautiful. So see, these are the shades. Now this is not a cool toned brown. I wouldn't say this is a warm toned brown. This is a cool toned brown. A very, mauve pink, a deeper mauve pink, a deeper brownish pink, brown pink, that's how I would call it, a bright red, and fuchsia pink. So these are the 6 shades you find in the palette called Bold and Beautiful. Now I will quickly swatch these 6 and come back to you. Okay, so now I've swatched the 6 colors of Nykaa's lip palette. So this was the cool tone brown, following by the mauve pink, followed by the fuchsia pink, followed by the red, followed by a deeper mauve pink and a deeper brown pink. So these are the 6 shades available in the Bold and Beautiful palette. These are the swipes which you get in one swipe of that particular shade available in the palette. Now I think for an everyday use, this palette does great, because see, you can mix and match the colors of this palette to create your own shades as well, which is a great thing for 520 rupees. So if you want to play around with colors, then this is something that you should try. But given the fact this is also not transfer proof, this definitely transfers, but then it gives a good finish when it dries up. Okay, so these are the swatches of the top 5 lipsticks. So tell me, what is your take on the lipsticks that I have, and if you would recommend any, or if you would have tried any and you want to tell your views, we're open for it. And that's it, guys. Until the next time, bye bye. So since I've been swatching a lot of lipsticks in my hand for some videos, I thought let me also show you guys how great this cleansing balm from Earth Rhythm is. This is a variant called Bamboo Charcoal. So you need just little bit of the product, like this tiny bit, and I'm going to place it all over my swatches and gently massage. Gently massage. So this will absolutely melt all the lipsticks. And mind you, these are from various brands, and still this cleansing balm works like magic. And then I'm going to take a cotton wipe. You can also wash it off because it lathers with water, but to show you guys, I'm going to just cleanse it off. Can you see? That's the magic I've been talking about.